Hi guys, you got see engine mounting before? Alright, this is the engine mount. Come, I show you. This is the new engine mount. Very nice, right? You know why engine mount important or not? This engine mount help to reduce the engine vibration. Without your engine mount, you feel your car vibrate. If your car vibrate too much, it will affect the other parts. Example like lower arm, suspension, tire alignment. All this will affect your car performance. So don't forget, check your engine mount. Very important. Come, Kaki Garage. We're happy to help you.